Hello students, in this video we will discuss about area of sector and segment of a circle. You have learned about the definition of sector and sector and segment in class 9, right? So we will recall the definition of sector and segment again, and we will find the formula how to find the area of sector and segment for a circle. Okay, so let us start with sector of circle. The portion of the circle region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc is called sector of circle. If you look at the diagram, here O is the center, right? That means OA and OB is the radius. Now this OA and OB radius and this APB arc, they enclose this circular region, right? They enclose this circular region OAPB. That means OAPB is the sector of the circle. Shaded region OAPB is the sector of circle with center O, and this AOB angle is called angle of sector. The angle which is formed by radii with the center is called angle of sector. Okay. So what is the definition of sector? Sector is a circular region which is formed by two radii and a corresponding arc. Now, what is minor and major sector? If you look at the diagram, minor means less and major means greater. Okay, so here in this picture, this OAPB region, this region is called minor sector. Okay, and the remaining portion, that is, you can say that it will be OAQB. Okay, this portion with white shade, and now I am using yellow color. Okay, so you can say that OAPB is minor sector. Okay, and the rest of the area of the circle is called major sector. Okay, note that in the figure, unshaded region OAQB, that means the white portion of the circle, is also a sector of the circle. For obvious reason, OAPB is minor sector and OAQB is the major sector, because the area of OAQB is more than the area of OAPB. That's why OAQB is major and OAPB is minor sector. Now for minor sector, angle of sector is AOB. Now what will be the angle for major sector? For major sector, the angle will be from here to here. That is reflex AOB, or you can say that 360 degree minus AOB. Okay, so what is the angle for major sector? It will be from here to here, that is 360 minus AOB angle. Now I'll discuss about segment of a circle. The portion of the circular region enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc is called segment of the circle. Okay, so if you look at the diagram, AB is a chord, right? So the circular region which is enclosed by this chord and this corresponding arc is called segment. So you can say that this portion is the segment of the circle. Okay, this is segment of the circle. In the figure, AB is the chord of the circle with center O. So the shaded region APB is the segment of the circle. Okay. Now again, what is the major and minor segment? Obviously, when you are drawing this AB chord, this AB chord divides the circle in two areas. One is this blue shaded part and another one is this remaining white portion of the circle. Since the area of the white portion is more than the area of blue portion, so this blue one is minor segment, okay, and the remaining portion is major segment. So you can say that area of minor segment plus area of major segment is equal to area of circle. Similarly for the sector also, area of minor sector plus area of major sector is equal to area of whole circle. So look at here, the unshaded AQB is another segment of the circle formed by the chord AB. For obvious reason, APB is minor segment and AQB is the major segment. Now we will discuss about area of sector. First of all, suppose this is a circle with center O, okay, with center O and radius R. That means AB is equal to R, OA is equal to R, OB is also equal to R. Now, if a circle of radius R unit is given, then what is the area of the whole circle? It is pi r square. Okay. Now you have to, and also given that the angle of sector is equal to theta, right? Angle of the sector is equal to theta. Let OAPB is the sector of the circle with center O, radius R. The degree of measurement of AOB angle is theta. We know that the area of whole circle is equal to pi r square. Now we have to find the area of sector of angle theta. Means we have to find the area of this blue portion. The formula will be theta by 360 into pi r square. That is the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. Suppose this angle is equal to 30 degree. Okay, then what will be the area of sector? What will be the area of this portion? It will be 30 by 360 into area of circle. Okay, into area of circle. Now you can cancel this 30 and 360. So it will be 1 by 12 into area of circle. Okay, this is the formula for area of sector. Now we will discuss about the length of an arc of a sector. Okay, if you look at this sector APB, okay, if you look at the OAPB sector, okay, if you look at this sector, this AB from A to B, or you can say that this APB is the arc length. Okay, so how can you find the arc length of APB? Okay, how can you find the length APB? Again, suppose this is a circle with radius R and center O, and consider the given degree measurement is equal to theta. Consider the angle of sector is equal to theta, radius R with center O. Now the circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. The circumference of the whole circle is 2 pi r. So the length of the arc APB, length of arc of a sector will be same formula, theta by 360 degree into, since it is now length of arc, it will be 2 pi r. Okay, or you can say that the formula is theta by 360 into perimeter of circle. Okay, perimeter of circle. By the similar example, suppose here theta is equal to 30 degree. So what would be the length of this APB arc? It will be 30 by 360 into perimeter of the circle. Okay, this is the formula for length of the arc of the sector. Now the last one, area of the segment. Now in this figure, this portion, this blue shaded portion is the segment, the portion segment, right? You have to find the area of this portion. How? Look at here, this is obvious. If you find the area of this whole minor sector, okay, and then if you subtract the area of this OAB triangle, if you subtract the area of OAB triangle from the area of minor sector, you will get this blue portion, right? So what will be the formula for area of segment? Area of segment APB is equal to area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. Okay, so let me explain this again. First of all, find the area of this whole sector, minor sector. Okay, and from this minor sector you will subtract the area of the triangle OAB. Okay, if you subtract this portion from the area of sector, you will get the area of minor segment. Okay, so the formula is area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of the triangle. That is, area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of the triangle. The condition will be given to find the area of the triangle. Now here is two important point. The area of major sector. Okay, suppose the area of this minor sector is given. What will be the area of major sector? It will be the area of whole circle minus area of minor sector. Okay, similarly for the segment. Okay, if area of segment is given, what will be area of minor segment is given, what will be the area of major segment? It will be area of whole circle minus area of minor segment. Okay, so this is all for today. In this video we only discussed about the definition of major and minor segment, major and minor sector, and the formula of area of sector, area of segment, and the length of arc. First of all, check this video very carefully to understand all these topics. Tomorrow we will discuss about the example on this topic.